All right, we starting up those Crazy American cookies. Crazy American. I was sitting at home with my kids watching a little show. We had guys on TV doing some crazy things, crazy stunts. And I came up with a cookie for it. I'm figuring we got red from the dry cherries. We got blue from the blueberries. We got the white from the white chocolate. You throw in some pistachios, and you got Crazy Americans. We want to start out with 1 cup of Crisco butter flavored Crisco. We can kind of get that started a little bit. Just make it evenly. As when you throw in the sugar, got a little sugar. You always want to mix your butter and your sugars together first, make it a little fluffy. All right. It might take a little elbow grease to get it going, but it's good exercise for you, getting ready to eat some cookies. You want to mix that as well as possible. You go add an egg in, so once you add the 1 egg, it'll be easier to mix. You go take your 1 egg. Haven't learned to do it the fancy way like my partner. I'll probably drop it in there. Once you get your 1 egg in, you can add about a teaspoon of flavoring, vanilla flavoring. Once again, you go with the mixing. Doesn't take long. When mixing these, I've learned that it's the same way you would do a pancake batter. You don't want to over mix a pancake batter because it removes all the air and makes it kind of hard and stiff, like like when you're making biscuits. You over whip biscuits and they become hard like a brick, so you really don't want to do that. We're going to add a little all-purpose flour. There we go. As you notice, I'm eyeballing everything. Can't let you guys in on our trade secrets. Maybe later. We're going to add a little baking soda. And along with the baking soda, we're going to add some baking powder. Once again, we're going to go with the mixing. One of the reasons I like to mix by hand when I'm doing the cookies is that usually when I'm on the mixer, I sometimes get preoccupied and I flip it on too high and you have flour everywhere, which adds to the cleanup process, and nobody likes to clean up. I like to eat the cookies, but I hate to clean up. Once you got it all mixed real well, it'll be a little stiff, not too bad. Nice light brown consistency. You want to add your white chocolate. And you can add as many pieces of white chocolate you would like. Go add your dry fruit. I guess the dry fruit will give you a sense of a healthy eating. Smells great. And then we're going with our dry blueberries. And now, last but not least, we're going with our pistachios. I've always had a problem saying pistachios. Might be saying it wrong, but you get the idea. Once again, you go with your taste. Once you put in your pistachios, mixing may become a little more difficult now with the ingredients that you have in, but it's not too bad. Let's get it all mixed in the best you can. You want to make sure that the cookie dough is mixing well with your white chocolate. You can find these Crazy American, these cookies and others on our website at chucktowncookies.com. By the way, you can befriend us on any one of these websites here. We're waiting to hear from you, see what you think about our cookies. Next, we're going to take these cookies, put them on a cookie pan, and into the oven at 350 or 275 in the convection oven, if you have one. All right, through the magic of TV, you can see the finished product. You can notice see all the little imperfections or perfections. The cherries, dry cherries, white chocolate. You can visit us once again at Chucktown Cookies. lazarus.com. We'll be looking for you at these local community events. Thanks for watching.